Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious white chicken lasagna. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making a ricotta mixture. To a bowl, add 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, along with 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, half a teaspoon of black pepper, oregano, dried basil, and salt. And we're also going to be adding 1 egg. And now just mix it until everything is well combined. And once we have a ricotta mixture, we're going to place it in the refrigerator until it's time to use it. Now for the chicken, just cut into small pieces and season it with salt and black pepper. And once we have it, we can take it back to the stove. Now to a large pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Set it over high heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, and once it's nice and hot, add the chicken and allow it to cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, your chicken should be fully cooked. So now we're just going to remove it from the pan and reduce the heat to medium. And to the pan, we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of butter. Just going to allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, add 4 minced garlic cloves. Going to give it 30 seconds. Then add the spinach. Just mix it in with the butter and garlic. And after 30 seconds, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Just make sure that you're mixing it as you're pouring. And here, season it with salt and black pepper. And just bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, add 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. Mix it and allow that cheese to melt. Okay, and just like that, we have our Alfredo sauce. So now we're going to turn it off so we can get our lasagna ready. Okay, now to layer our lasagna, we're going to be adding our sauce to our baking dish. Now we're going to layer our oven-ready lasagna noodles. And just make sure that you overlap them a little. Going to spread our ricotta mixture. Going to add some mozzarella cheese. And top it with the chicken. Add some sauce. And repeat the layers until you run out of your ingredients. Okay, the top layer, we just top it with the sauce and cheese. I'm gonna cover it with foil. And make kind of a little dent. We're going to take it to the oven and bake for 35 minutes at 375 degrees. And after 35 minutes, remove the foil and put it on broil for a couple minutes. And once done, remove it from the oven and allow it to sit for a few minutes. Okay, and after a few minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This recipe here is seriously super easy to make. It's quick. Of course, you know the hardest part is just waiting for the lasagna to be out of the oven. But let me tell you that it is seriously so worth it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Just so cheesy, so creamy, so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home, I made my super easy and delicious white chicken lasagna. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.